Reaching out to me, to your tomorrow. Some roots. Go, 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 go.
Zion roots, Rasta man is so high. Zion roots, Rasta man is so high. We stand on the battlefield, armored with grace. The light of Jah guide we in every place. For truth and justice, we chant the song. A warrior of love, me carry Jah strong. The wicked them rise, but we never cower. We rooted in love, that be we power. Each struggle we face, we spirit endure. We trod the righteous path, always pure. With Jah blessings we make the climb, through trials deep and hills of time. Feed the helpless, we lend we might, standing firm in a Jah's life. Defender of truth, we never fail. With Jah in our corner, we always prevail. The fire of love make the darkness flee. Defender of truth, set Jah people free. Defender of truth, with strength we move. Every obstacle we surely prove. Guided by wisdom, standing so tall. Defender of truth, we answer Jah's call. Them take aim at the weak, but we stand tall. We lift up the fallen, we answer Jah call. With each step forward, we make the mark. Defender of truth, a light in the dark. The chains them fall under Jah's decree. We march united, we fight, we be free. Through valleys deep and shadows wide. Defender of truth, Jah's power inside. The system a bend, but we spirit no break. We conquer the fear every move we make. Jah's warriors rise with banners high. Defender of truth until we fly. Oh, the warriors rise. Defender of truth, Jah's flame in our eyes. Each heartbeat chant the sacred hymn. We fight for love and victory brim. The stars above, them watch we fight. Guided always by Jah's light. Feed the hopeless, we bring new dawn. Under Jah's banner, we press on. Defender of truth, we never fail. With Jah in our corner, we always prevail. The fire of love make the darkness flee. Defender of truth, set Jah people free. Defender of truth, we make it known. Jah's righteousness upon the throne. For the weak and lost, we make a stand. Defender of truth under Jah's command. Zion roots, smoke coconut kush. Under Jah wing, we find the peace. The struggles of life, them soon release. In a sanctuary, we spirit rest. Guided by Jah, we make we best. The world full of chaos, but we can't lose hope. We hold on to love, it help we cope. With each prayer lifted, the burdens fall. In Jah's sanctuary, we rise tall. Jah's sanctuary, a holy place. Feed the weary soul, Jah's embrace. Through the trials deep, Jah always near. Sanctuary of love, we find no fear. Jah's sanctuary, the healing stream. A refuge of peace, the eternal dream. With every heartbeat, we feel Jah's care. Sanctuary of love, Jah's always there. The battles we face, Jah guide we way. Through the darkest night to a brighter day. In the shadows, Jah's light prevail. Feed the lost and broken, Jah's love no fail. With hands uplifted, we sing Jah's song. A melody of peace, we keep we strong. The sanctuary call, it soothed the pain. We trod in faith and love sustain. Jazz light shine through. Sanctuary of love for me and you. Each moment blessed, each step secure. In Jazz sanctuary with spirit pure. Jazz sanctuary, a holy place for the weary soul. Jazz embrace through the trials deep. Jah always near. Sanctuary of love, we find no fear. Jazz sanctuary, the healing stream, a refuge of peace, the eternal dream. With every heartbeat, we feel Jazz care. Sanctuary of love, Jazz always there. Forever we dwell in Jazz embrace. Sanctuary of love, a sacred space. Through all the storms, we find Jazz hand, guiding we home to the promised land. Till the final call, Jazz love we sing. In a sanctuary, we find everything. With faith and hope, we make it true. Sanctuary of love, Jazz gift renew.
Zion roots. Yeah man, Rasta VIBES smoke bong in the morning. Zion roots. Yeah man, Rasta VIBES smoke bong in the morning. The fire ignite deep in our soul, a blaze of hope. Make the people whole through the shadows of doubt. We press ahead, freedom's flame burn bright. Can't be dead with Jah as we guide. The chains them break, every step we take a brighter wake. The children of Zion rise with might through the darkest storm. We claim the light, freedom's flame, it a burn so high, lighting the path beneath Jah's sky. Through the trials and pain, we stand so strong. Freedom's flame, it carry we along. Freedom's flame, a beacon true, guiding the way for me and you. With Jah's power, we claim the name, forever united in freedom's flame. The cry of the weak, Jah hear them call. We rise for justice, for break the wall. The system oppressed, but we can't give in. We chant for the people, let the freedom begin. With courage and faith, we make the climb. Each step a victory, each moment sublime. The fire of hope, it never fade. Through Jah's blessings, we make the trade. Whoa, the spirit rise, freedom's flame, it light the skies. Feed the broken hearts, Jah make them heal. Freedom's truth we forever feel. Freedom's flame, it a burn so high, lighting the path beneath Jah's sky. Through the trials and pain, we stand so strong. Freedom's flame, it carry we along. Freedom's flame, a beacon true, guiding the way for me and you. With Jah's power, we claim the name, forever united in freedom's flame. Till the final dawn, we hold the line. Freedom's flame, forever divine. With each heartbeat, we sing Jah's praise. In a Zion's light, we spend we days. Forever we chant the anthem pure. Freedom's flame, it will endure. Through valleys low and mountains wide, we carry Jah's love, the flame inside. rise like the sun upon the horizon bright, breaking the chains of Babylon night. With love as we shield and truth as we sword, we trod through the battle united with Jah's word. The trials them heavy but we strong like steel. Jah's love surround we, it always heal. Each step forward a victory gain. We rise up and shine through the joy and pain. Rise up and shine, let the world behold the fire of Jah, more precious than gold. From the ashes we'll soar like the phoenix high. Rise up and shine under Jah's sky. The system a crumble, we hear it crack. Just people awaken, the truth are back. With unity strong we break every chain. Rise up and shine through the joy and pain. For the youth them searching, we light the way. The guidance of Jah make the darkness sway. We'll sing the songs of Zion so sweet and pure. Rise up and shine, Jah blessings endure. Whoa, the stars them align. Rise up and shine, Jah's power divine. The fire we carry, it blazes through the night. Guided by love, we'll win the fight. Rise up and shine, let the world behold the fire of Jah, more precious than gold. From the ashes we'll soar like the phoenix high. Rise up and shine under Jah's sky till the morning come and the victory show. We rise up and shine, make the blessings flow. With Jah as we guide, we'll never decline. Rise up and shine, feed the light divine. Forever we rise, the world can't confine. Each dawn we face, the journey refine.
Zion roots, Zion roots, Zion roots, Zion roots, Zion roots. Zion call, it a reach me soul. A journey eternal, fi make we whole. The mountains high, the rivers deep. Zion's melody, inna the wind it sweep. With Jah's message, we trod along. Each step empowered by Zion's song. The chains of Babylon, them can bind. The call of Zion, renew in mind. Zion call, oh hear the cry. A promise of peace under Jah's sky. Feed the weary heart, a sacred place. Zion's light, it shine with grace. Zion call, rise and be free. Guided by Jah for eternity. In the struggle, we find Jah's hand. Zion's call, the promised land. The trials heavy, but we no bow low. We rise like the river, steady we flow. The truth we carry, fi heal the pain. Zion's call, the eternal gain. The youth them rise, with purpose strong. Guided by Zion, we belong. With love as we anchor, hope as we guide. We reach for Zion, just gates open wide. Whoa, the stars align. Zion call, Jah's love divine. The fire we feel, it blaze so high. Under Jah's wings, we learn to fly. Zion call, oh hear the cry. A promise of peace under Jah's sky. Feed the weary heart, a sacred place. Zion's light, it shine with grace. Zion call, rise and be free. Guided by Jah for eternity. In the struggle, we find Jah's hand. Zion's call, the promised land. With every heartbeat, the rhythm flow. Zion's call, it make we grow. Till the final day, we'll sing just song. In a Zion's embrace, we belong. Forever we stand on holy ground. Zion's call, the eternal sound. Through valleys low and mountains steep, Zion's love we forever keep. The Zion roots. The dawn break wide, the light them shine. A new day rise with love divine. The struggles of night, them fade away. On the jazz sun, we greet the day. With hope in our hearts, we press ahead. Through the trials of life, can make we delayed. The rising sun, it bring new life. Guiding we path, ending the strife. Rising sun, it light the skies. Feed the weary heart, just love arise. With every moment, just blessings flow. Rising sun, make the people grow. Rising sun, a sign so true. The promise of Jah, it renew. Through the valleys low, just light we see. Rising sun, for you and me. The world may tremble, but we stand firm. Just lessons teach, the truth we learn. With love as we guide, and peace as we weigh. The rising sun bring a brighter day. Feed the youth them last, just show them care. The rising sun make them path prepare. Each moment a chance to start anew. Under jazz love, all dreams come true. Whoa, the light shine on. Rising sun, it make we strong. Feed the hopeless hearts, just power bring. Rising sun, we forever sing. Rising sun, it light the skies. Feed the weary heart, just love arise. With every moment, just blessings flow. Rising sun, make the people grow. Rising sun, a sign so true. The promise of Jah, it renew. Through the valleys low, just light we see. Rising sun, for you and me. Till the final day, just sun will glow. Guiding we steps, wherever we go. Feed the struggles ahead, just strength we find. Rising sun, it heal we mind. Forever we chant, just praise so sweet. Under the rising sun, we feel complete. With love and light, Jah make we run. Forever shining, the rising sun. Whoa, yeah, yeah. The warrior rise with just command. Strength in my soul, love in my hand. The fight for justice, it never done. We carry the light under just sun. The system oppressed, but we stand strong. Guided by the truth, Jah make we belong. We chant the anthem of love and peace. Through Jah's power, we find release. Warriors' heart, it beats so bold. In a Jah's love, we never grow cold. Through the battle fierce, we find the way. Warriors' heart, for a brighter day. Warriors' heart, a sacred flame. Fighting for justice in Jah's name. The chains them fall, we spirit free. Warriors' heart for eternity. Each step we take, a victory claim. For the downtrodden, we call Jah's name. We stand united for the people's rights. A beacon of hope in a Jah's sight. The fire we carry, it never fade. Through Jah's guidance, the path is laid. With love as we shield and faith as we sword. We march as warriors in Jah's accord. Whoa, the warrior rise with Jah's strength in our eyes. Through the storm, we hold the line. Warrior's heart, forever divine. Warrior's heart, it beats so bold. In a Jah's love, we never grow cold. Through the battle fierce, we find the way. Warrior's heart, for a brighter day. Warrior's heart, a sacred flame. Fighting for justice in Jah's name. The chains them fall, we spirit free. Warrior's heart for eternity. Till the final fight, we stand so true. Warrior's heart, Jah carry we through. Each breath we take, for righteousness sing. Warrior's heart, in a Jah's wing. Forever we trod the righteous way. Guided by Jah every night and day. The warrior spirit, it never part. Forever burning the warrior's heart. Zion roots. Oh, oh. Zion roots. Oh, oh, oh. Under the ancient tree, we find we roots. The wisdom of the elders, we bear the fruits. The soil of Zion, it feed with soul. Guided by Jah, we reach the goal. The rivers flow pure, them carry Jah's song. The journey may be rough, but we belong. With the rhythm of the drum, we hear the call. From the roots of Zion, we rise tall. Roots of Zion, them hold we tight. Through the stormy seas and darkest nights. With every heartbeat, we know Jah's grace. Roots of Zion, the holy place. Roots of Zion, the bond so strong. For the people of Jah, where we belong. Through the trial fierce, we still rejoice. Roots of Zion, we lift with voice. The lessons of the past, them shape we way. Guided by Jah, we greet each day. We plant the seeds of love and watch them grow. Under Zion's sun, Jah's blessings flow. The world may shake, but we can't break. With Jah as we guide, no path we fake. We sing for the lost and the ones who roam. Roots of Zion, them call we home. Whoa, the roots run deep for the weary hearts. Jah's love we keep. Through the winds of change, we hold the line. Roots of Zion, forever divine. Roots of Zion, them hold we tight. Through the stormy seas and darkest night. With every heartbeat, we know Jah's grace. Roots of Zion, the holy place. Roots of Zion, we band so strong for the people of Jah, where we belong. Through the trial fierce, we still rejoice. Roots of Zion, we lift, we voice. From the roots we come, to the stars we rise. Guided by Jah, the truth never lies. Forever we chant the anthem clear. Roots of Zion, Jah's love is near. We walk the path where the righteous trod, rooted in love, connected to God. The circle complete, the journey done. Roots of Zion, we stand as one.
Zion roots, chilling with RASTA VIBES. Yeah man, give me this spliff. Under the stars, we find Jah's light, a beacon of hope in the darkest night. The journey long, but we not tire, guided by love and holy fire. The whispers of wisdom, them guide we way through the struggles of life. Just show the day, each moment a lesson, each trial a test. We stand in the truth and we do we best. Wisdom's light, it a shine so bright. Through the darkness, it bring the light. Feed the broken soul, it bring new life. Wisdom's light, it end the strife. Wisdom's light, a sacred flame, guiding Jah children in a Jah name. Through the trials deep, we find the way. Wisdom's light, it a brighter day. The journey of wisdom, it can't be rushed. Each step we take, Jah hand we trust. The truth we carry, it blaze so strong for the weak and weary. It bring Jah song for every heart that seek Jah's love we show. The seeds of hope we continue to sow. Wisdom's river flow, it can't run dry. For uplift the weary under Jah's sky. Whoa, the truth we find. Wisdom's light, Jah's love in our mind. For the journey ahead, Jah bless we fight, guided always by wisdom's light. Wisdom's light, it a shine so bright. Through the darkness, it bring the light. For the broken soul, it bring new life. Wisdom's light, it end the strife. Wisdom's light, a sacred flame, guiding Jah children in a Jah name. Through the trials deep, we find the way. Wisdom's light, it's a brighter day, till the journey end and the stars align. Wisdom's light, forever it shine. In a Jah's embrace, the world we see, guided by truth, we spirit be free. Forever and always, Jah light we guide. Through valleys low and mountains wide, wisdom's path, it lead we home. Under Jah's love, we never roam.
Zion roots, dark haze smoke in the night. The roots are called, we can't forget. Foundation strong, no have regrets. From the days of old to the present time, the roots of wisdom, it make we climb. The elders' teachings, them pave the road. With love and unity we carry the load. The fire keep blazing fi cleanse the soul. Roots revival, we reaching the goal. Roots revival, let the drum beat strong. Inna the heart of the struggle, Jah love belong. From the earth to the heavens, the message flow. Roots revival, make the blessings grow. In a Babylon system, we not conform. We stand firm even in the storm. The roots are remind we where we belong. We trod the righteous path, we sing Jah song. The youth them arise, with truth in them eyes. Plant the seeds of hope under Jah skies. Roots revival, it a sacred flame. We uplift the people in a Jah name. Whoa, oh, the ancestors guide. Roots revival, Jah spirit inside. With every heartbeat, the rhythm grow. The roots are life, it make we know. Roots revival, hear the drum beat strong. Inna the heart of the struggle, Jah love belong. From the earth to the heavens, the message flow. Roots revival, make the blessings grow. So me chant for the roots, me chant for the vine. The essence of life, the holy sign. Roots revival, it a never done. Jah light shining bright like the morning sun. Zion roots, Zion roots. instigation. I know it's in the board. side, but the novel you get 'em. I'd say, still remember why the times I paid, still remember why the things I'd say, yeah. Still remember why the things I'd say, still remember why the times I paid, still remember why the things I'd say, yeah. Try me like you're messing me at the circle. And hearts in my line are different. Wir geht ab, ich schau genackt, you ihr Max an der Deadline. Tried and the Nike on the side, but the move on your gel.